Hello everyone and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseny and today I'm going to take you through a 10-minute Qigong practice that is really soothing for the lower back. We're going to combine gentle movements and breathing to increase circulation and help the energy flow better through the lower back area. But before we begin, remember, if you're looking to build a regular practice at home, consider joining my membership site. I have a 21-day beginner journey to help you create a habit and stay consistent with your practice. This 21-day beginner journey is available on the membership site. So by joining, you get access to the program. You also get access to weekly live classes and all the exclusive content that I create for members. I'm going to leave more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, and tuck your tailbone slightly under so you can relax your lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed, and take a moment here to simply feel your body, to become aware of your physical body. Then slowly raise your hands up to about shoulder height. Keep your knees fairly straight. Turn your palms and sink down, relying fully on your legs. Breathe in through the nose to raise up. Breathe out the nose to soften. Inhale. Exhale. Checking in with your lower back, minimizing effort, minimizing tension. Allow your lower back to stay nice and flat, your spine straight, and your hips relaxed. Inhale as you go up. Exhale down. Continue on your own, following your own breath. Always inhaling, always exhaling. Just stay present with your breath, simply being aware of the movement. Allowing your body to soften, begin to let go, especially through the lower back area. Your arms feel light. There is no tension in your upper back. Very good. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out, allowing your hands to relax. Then place both hands on your abdomen. We're going to bring attention to the lower belly through the movement and through your breath. Inhale as you pull your belly in. Feel the muscles contracting. On the exhale, unlock your knees and let the belly rest in your hands. This should feel very comforting. Inhale, drawing the belly in towards the lower back. Exhale, allow it to relax. Inhale. Exhale. Feel free to close your eyes here, tuning in with your breath. Stay focused on the movement of the abdomen. Inhale, draw it in. Exhale, let it relax fully. Inhale in. Exhale out. Very good. One more time. On the exhale, relax, relaxing into your hands. Then take the warmth coming from your palms and the awareness that you've built up at your abdomen to the lower back. We continue with the reversed abdominal breathing, so the belly goes in on the inhale. And then on the exhale, relaxing your lower back and sending your breath to your lower back. It's almost like there is a pulsation inside of you that is expanding, contracting, expanding. So knees are straight, draw the belly in, inhale. Unlock your knees, sending your breath to the lower back. Same time, your belly relaxes as well. Draw everything in. And finding that relaxation through every exhale. The more you breathe, the more you let go. Exhale. Pay attention to the sensations inside your abdomen, the lower back, the warmth coming from your palms. Stay present with your breath. The more you breathe, the more aware you become of your lower back area. Begin to release tension. Creating space inside of your body, a space for the energy to move. One more time, breathe in. On the exhale, send it down. And stand up. You can gently comfort yourself, massage up and down the lower back. Very good. And then lock your hands, keeping all that warmth right on your lower back area. Bring your feet parallel, and we're going to circle very slowly, targeting primarily the lower back. Take your time, slow it right down. And feel what's happening in your body. Feel a gentle compression in your lower back, and then feel the muscles relaxing as you circle to the back. And again, a pleasant squeeze, and then relaxation. And let's add some breathing to the movement. So inhale on one side, exhale on the other. Allow your breath to stay relaxed, to be deep and slow. Notice the warmth that is beginning to build up underneath your palms. That warmth have already penetrated into your body. You may actually feel it spreading throughout your lower back, into your abdomen. If you do feel that, that's a good sign. The energy is moving, it's unblocked. It's beginning to heal and comfort you. Just simply stay present. Breathe in calmly, paying attention. Very good. And then without changing the pace, just roll in the opposite direction. Move with ease and comfort. I want you to feel safe. I want you to feel at peace and relaxed. Sending those signals to your body, and your body will let go. Very, very good. You can do this forever. You can even pause the video and continue. But we're going to bring it back to center by dropping the tailbone down, unlocking your knees. Again, flip your hands and comfort yourself. Sending signals that it's okay. Let the energy flow through your spine, through your lower back area. Very good. Relax. And then to finish, we're going to do some gentle spinal movements. I want you to place your hands on the side of the legs with a straight back, without straining or forcing anything. Circle around your knees, moving your hands to the inner leg, and then roll up with your back slightly curved, bringing yourself to the belly. From your belly, slide to the side with a straight back, down towards the knees. Round your back and lift, slowly rolling spine by spine, finishing at the abdomen. Continue on your own. Moving across, straight back, gaze far into the distance, and then roll it in through the groin and back, down the side of the legs. Tuck your tailbone in, round up. One more time, down the side of the legs. And finish at your abdomen. Then move your hands across to the lower back. Gently push forward, look up. Release gently, neutralizing the curve, relaxing, and we go down the back of the legs. Slowly, mindfully, reaching the point that feels good. Take a moment to lengthen through your spine without straining or forcing anything. Feel free to push with your hands so you actually have that support. And then come up on the inner leg and finish at your abdomen. Relax your hands by the side. And take a moment to notice what happened, what changed in those 10-12 minutes. Did your lower back let go a little bit? Did you feel a warmth and circulation improving in that area? Very good. I hope you do. Bring your feet together. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this was useful. I hope it helped you feel a little bit more at ease. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.